And welcome to another session of my Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll be taking you through how to create a gradient background using Photoshop. So with your Photoshop application launched, you would go straight to the left panel, pick up a rectangular tool, draw your desired shape, with it selected, pick up the move tool, come down to the FX, move to the gradient overlay, and it launches. Now this is the gradient that I used before. You can also create your own gradient. If you click on the drop down arrow here, you see a lot of other presets there. Okay, you pick in from your design and it changes as you can see. But if you want to create your own, just click on the long panel here, just click anywhere in it. It launches the gradient editor. So on the far left, click there, select the color you want to use. Maybe I would probably want to use blue, lighter shade of blue there, and okay. And at the end, I would want to use maybe same blue but darker. Great. So you see that the opacity of both angles is quite low, and that's the reason why you see the color in here low. You can increase the opacity here or decrease it there for using this. So to the deep, increase the opacity or decrease it, just like that. And there you have your Photoshop. There you have your gradients. So you can decide to play around with it with your own desired colors. Now when you come down to the angle defines the angle of flow of the colors, okay, where the colors flows from. Now with what you are seeing here is negative 90, okay, degrees. So when you move it negative 50, you see the flow in color. So you see it clearly, good. You continue to move, you see the flow in color. You continue to move till you find your desired color, and there you're good to go. So you can increase or decrease the opacity of the entire gradient layer based on to fit your preferences, okay, there. And by default it flows from left to right. So if in case you'd wish to have it flow from right to left, then you just click on the reverse, so it moves to the other angle, okay. So, and this style is a linear gradient style. You can choose from the styles here to radial. You see from the middle, if you want to pass it those, you see the lighter shade in the middle, the darker shade out. That's because I've ticked my reverse, and you just play around with it. But if you want it to strictly move by angle and reflecting, so you play around to get your desired gradient you want to use, and the scale defines the amount of defines how the colors are scattered in your layer, okay. So if you reduce it, see it becomes, you see, becomes sharper. Great. Increase it, then it's more scattered, and that is it. That is it. Thank you very much for watching the tutorial. Please do subscribe if you haven't. Kindly like, leave a comment below, and share, okay, so I can reach out to more people. I'll be very grateful to you if you do subscribe, and invite others to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and please stay connected. Please remember to click on the notification to always be notified when next I post a new video.